Hi, this is Eric with DiffuserDoc.com, and today we're going to look at an Aria diffuser that has the driver board. The ultrasonic plate driver board is bad. It doesn't work, and this is actually pretty much a brand new unit. So what I'm going to do is take this out and replace it with one of our custom 3D printed parts, with a new disc and a new gasket, and also a new custom driver board to replace this driver board. So let's get started. So to disassemble the Aria, what we need to do is remove these, just pull these silicone seals out on the back. You can use a safety pin, or I'm using a paper clip right now just to pry them out. We can set them aside. Okay, now take a screwdriver. We'll remove these 4 screws. Let me see if I can get a different one. There we go. There we go. Will my power screwdriver fit down in there? It will. Okay, this will save some time. Okay. Pop the bottom off. And just sort of set this over to the side. This is the part we're interested in. And you can see this is a brand new unit. I don't know what went wrong, but this part does not work at all. So what we want to do is just unplug it from here, and we'll remove this this driver. Take it out. And we'll put in the new O-ring, the new driver board. Oh, looks like it might have to go this way. And reassemble. All right. Okay, so that looks like it's secured. This now is the this goes into the new disc. So the driver board has a couple of a couple of outputs here and an input. This has this guy's marked TD for transducer, and that's actually the disc. And 24 volts in, that would be the supply from here. Well, let me see here. I'm going to need an adapter. Do I have one here somewhere? Let's see. Just a moment. Let me pause the video for a second, and I will see if I have an adapter here nearby. I know I do. Be right back. We need to plug this into the 24-volt supply, and plug this into, this is the jack that went to here, and this is was powering this device. Now it's going to power the custom driver. We can plug that in there. Let's see, how do I want to mount this? I think I might take one of these screws out. This goes into the TD, the jack mark TD for transducer. So that's the disc. I'll plug that in, and I think to secure this, I might take one of these screws out, and hold on, our speaker is going to go there. Maybe, looks like there might be enough room if I can just put it down in here. Okay, that's gonna work. Alrighty. There we go. Make sure none of the wires are in the way. Yeah, I think we can go ahead and reattach this. Okay. All right. I'll put these 4 screws back in, and we'll just give it a test. So now this is what it looks like with the new driver board. Slightly different, but this disc senses the presence of water based on its feedback. So it runs a little bit differently than this mechanism, but it should actually put out a better vapor than this disc. So we'll see. This is one of our 3D printed shields and vents. So give me a chance to actually just demonstrate how these work. They come in a couple different pieces. This just plugs into here, and then you can this fixes to here. This plugs into there. There's a shield. And the vent actually has a small, I don't know if you can see it, but there's an arrow here that points down, and you want it on facing in. So here's the new vent. And the shield. And let's see. I'll put some water in here. I'll be right back. I'm gonna have to run and find the Aria remote really quick. So I'll go ahead and pause the video for a second. Be back momentarily. Okay, I have the remote. And some water. Okay, it's filled up to the line. Give it a quick check. Need some power. There we go. All right, let's give it a shot. Nice. Let's see, I'm going to turn off one of the lights and see what it looks like. There we go. It's putting out a great mist. I think we're in business. So that is our solution for replacing these, which are proprietary, and you can't get these as a replacement part. Something in this one failed, and it's rare actually that these fail. I haven't seen one. Sometimes these nubs crack off, and that causes an issue as well. So we have been working to develop these disc holders that can replace these, and what I'm going to do is let this run and see how it performs, and that's it. I'll call it a day. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. If you can, please like and subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. That would really help us out. And if you have any questions, please direct them my way. I'm at doc@diffuserdoc.com. And you can also follow us on Facebook, /DiffuserDoc. And yeah, keep on diffusing.